Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn your PowerPoint slides into an audio recorded video. So first thing you're going to do is open up your PowerPoint, come over here to File, and then click Options down at the bottom left hand corner. Once your options window pops up, go ahead and click on Customize Ribbon. And then under Main tabs, make sure that there is a check mark next to Recording. And then click OK. So now that you're able to record, you are going to click Record Slideshow. So if you see down here in the corner, a little thumbnail pops up. So you can either have that there as you're recording your slides, and that's going to play back for your students in your video, or you can disable it and turn your camera off. Up here at the top, you have your record button. You can stop it and that will end your recording, and you can replay to see what you have just recorded. You can also type notes for yourself, or I'm sorry, if you had notes typed up in your PowerPoint slide, you can click this here and they will show up here. They're not going to show up in your video though. In this button, you can clear existing recordings. I'm just going to hit that just to clear it all, in case you want to, if you made a recording and you don't want that anymore. And then you also have your microphone and camera settings. So to record, you're just going to click on the red button when you're ready. And then you just start narrating. So now as I'm talking, it is recording whatever is being said. I can also come down here and use the pen feature to write on my slides. I love doing that. Makes it more interactive. So then once you are done with the slide you are on, you can stop the recording on that slide, or just go ahead and click the arrow key. Then it's going to start a new recording. If you notice here, it's started back at 0. So each slide is going to have a separate recording, and they're going to just put them all together when you create your video. One thing I did notice is that if you place a video within the PowerPoint, it may or may not work. I've had instances where it does and instances where it was not so successful. So just play around with that. Once you are done, go ahead and click stop. And to get out of the screen, I'm going to click on the 3 dots down here and click End Show. Now that you notice the 2 slides where I was recording, you're going to see a speaker. This is your audio recording. And then you just start narrating. So now as I'm talking, it is recording, and you can hear back what you just recorded. So if you don't like it, you can click delete and get rid of it right there and just re-record in the same way I just showed you. If you like it, you're good to go. Then you are going to export your video. So one more thing, if say on the second slide you want to redo that slide, if you delete this one, it's only going to delete the audio that was on this slide. It's not going to mess with any audio that was on your first slide, which is nice. Gives you the ability to go back and edit smaller pieces of your slideshow. So once you're ready, you're going to click on the Export to Video button. And I adjust it so that it's a medium file size, so that it's still okay quality, but if you do 4K or 1080p, it's going to take a lot longer to create that video. So I recommend doing HD or even standard. Down here, you can preview the video. Don't worry about that message. Just start narrating. So now as I'm talking, so you're getting a preview right now of the video. And I just hit escape to get out of that. And you can also have the option of putting a timer on any slide where you may not have audio attached to it, but you still want it to be included in your video. So whatever time you set here will be however long it spends on that slide in your video. Once you've figured out your settings, go ahead and click Create Video. And I'm just going to name it Test 1 Video. And make sure it is in the MP4 format so that you can upload it to YouTube. And then hit save. Ignore these. And now notice here down at the bottom, you can see the status of how your video is going to be created. So I'm going to pause it and come back when it is fully uploaded. Alright, so now that the little status bar down at the bottom went away, I know that my video has been created. So I can go to Files and actually see that video made. And then you just start narrating. And so now as I'm talking, it is recorded. So I just like to skip through it, make sure everything is there. Alright. And then go ahead and hit pause. So now we have turned our PowerPoint into a video. Hooray! Now we want to upload it to YouTube so we can share it with our students. So you're going to go to YouTube. If you do not already have an account, you can easily create one by just logging into a Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail, your YouTube account is essentially the same thing. So go ahead and sign into that. Alright, so once you are here, go ahead and click on Your Videos. This is showing all the videos that I have created. And then click on Create Video, Upload Video. That's what we want to do. So now you can select your file that you have just made. Test 1 is what we were doing. You can rename it, add a description, upload a thumbnail. You can really customize it to however you want it to be. Then hit next. I don't really worry about this slide. You can add these elements if you want, but you don't have to. And then I just make it public so it's easy for students to find. Then you click publish. And so it'll take a few minutes for it to process, and you can see the status of that here. But once it's ready, it'll show up right here, and you should be able to click it and watch your video. Actually, let me show you all this. So if you click View on YouTube, you'll be able to preview what it's like. To the earth. So this is the answer choice. An old lesson that I did. Answers the question and write it. So success. So sometimes if you're creating a short video I believe if it's under 10 minutes, you shouldn't have any issues uploading it. But if it's a longer video, like for this one, for example, it was 21 minutes. At first it gave me an error that I wasn't authorized, or my account was not verified, and therefore I couldn't upload a longer video. So in order to bypass that and verify yourself, you're going to click on your account thumbnail up here on the right. Click on your channel. And then click on your thumbnail again. You're going to come down to settings. In the middle, you want to click on channel status and features. From here, it's going to give you the option to, for longer videos, okay, so 15 minutes is the limit. So to upload a video longer than 15 minutes, you're going to click on the enable button in this box. Once you do that, you won't have any issues in your uploading process. Okay, I think that is everything. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to walk you through this process over a video chat as well. Good luck, everyone.